Do you want to know how to show small taskbar in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. You can make Windows show large or small icons on your taskbar. By default, Windows shows large program and app icons, but if you wish to change the size, then this video will help you. Let's get started. How to show small taskbar icons in Windows 11. To show small taskbar icons in Windows 11, follow these steps. Press Win+R, then select Type, regedit, then hit the Enter key. Click the Yes option in the USE prompt. Navigate to this path. Create a dword value named Taskbar SI. Double-click on it and set the value data as 0. Click the OK button and restart your computer. Show smaller taskbar buttons using Windows 11 settings. You can use Windows settings to show smaller taskbar icons. This setting reduces the icon size but does not shrink the taskbar height. Press Win+I to open Windows settings. Go to Personalization, then choose Taskbar. Scroll down and click Taskbar Behaviors. Set Show Smaller Taskbar Buttons to Always. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.